The power of Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya Yoga unveils a profound journey into self-realization, where ancient wisdom meets modern practice in a harmonious blend. As practitioners engage in this ancient technique, they cultivate an inner stillness, allowing the energy of the universe to flow through them, harmonizing body, mind, and spirit. With each breath of Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya Yoga, barriers dissolve, and a sense of interconnectedness with all beings emerges, illuminating one's life path. In this state of awakening, practitioners not only find their individual purpose, but also awaken to a greater cosmic responsibility, connecting deeply with the essence of existence. Together they chant mantras, creating a powerful resonance that reverberates through the air, reinforcing the bonds of community and collective consciousness. Under the vast expanse of the universe, they transcend earthly limitations, merging individual energies into a harmonious symphony that echoes through time and space. As they conclude their session, the essence of Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya Yoga continues to resonate, nurturing not just the practitioners, but also encouraging future seekers to embark on their own journeys. In this shared journey, they realize that the power of Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya Yoga extends beyond individual practice. It is a catalyst for transformation within themselves and the world around them. In this sacred moment, they cultivate intentions of love, peace, and harmony, sending waves of positive energy into the universe, creating ripples of change far beyond their immediate surroundings. Empowered by their shared energy and clarity of intention, they step forward into the world, embracing both the unknown and the potential for profound transformation. As they engage with the community, the teachings of Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya Yoga come alive, bridging gaps and fostering understanding among diverse groups of people. Through shared stories and realizations, they inspire one another to carry the spirit of Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya Yoga into every interaction, cultivating empathy and compassion in all aspects of their lives. In this moment of reflection and gratitude, they acknowledge the journey they've shared, understanding that the power of Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya Yoga continues to guide them as they venture into the awakening of a new dawn. As their chants echo into the night, the energy of unity expands, inviting others to join in this sacred experience, fostering a sense of belonging and shared purpose. In this beautiful display of togetherness, they realize that the essence of Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya Yoga transcends borders, touching lives and igniting the spark of consciousness in many. Through these heartfelt exchanges, the teachings of Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya Yoga weave a rich narrative of resilience, nurturing bonds that transcend time and remind everyone of their shared humanity. In this enchanting setting, they collectively affirm their commitment to living authentically, empowered by the transformative energy of Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya Yoga, ready to embrace the journey ahead. Together they plant seeds of intention, nurturing dreams of compassion, peace, and personal growth, understanding that their collective energy has the power to shape both their paths and the world around them. With hearts full of hope and gratitude, they conclude their gathering with a collective prayer, sending forth their intentions into the universe, ready to embrace the opportunities that lie ahead. In the light of the new day, they part ways, knowing that the seeds of transformation sown during their time together will continue to blossom in their lives and the lives of those they encounter. As they leave behind the circle, the essence of Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya Yoga continues to resonate within them, guiding their steps toward a future filled with intention. In the days that follow, the impact of their gathering ripples through the community as each person embraces the teachings of Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya Yoga, sparking kindness and connection wherever they go. Gathered in celebration of connection and healing, they invite others to join in the practice, recognizing that the power of Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya Yoga not only transforms individuals but also uplifts entire communities. With each story shared and each meditation practiced, the community begins to weave a tapestry of understanding, where the teachings of Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya Yoga illuminate pathways to inner peace and collective harmony. Through this joyous movement, barriers dissolve, and participants discover a newfound freedom and connection as the spirit of Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya Yoga dances through the hearts of all present. In this moment of collective joy, they recognize the transformative power of connection and support, knowing that the essence of Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya Yoga thrives in unity and shared experiences. With each booth and activity, the community embraces the teachings of Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya Yoga, fostering an environment where creativity, wellness, and connection flourish together. As laughter mingles with music, the community finds itself united through the essence of Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya Yoga, reinforcing the belief that joy and connection are essential pathways to collective well-being. In this beautiful twilight, they take a moment to honor their collective journey, recognizing that the teachings of Shambhavi Mahamudra Kriya Yoga have woven a tapestry of love and unity within the community.